Hi, my name is Angie Hermson. I work here at the Fennimore Vet Clinic, and I'd like to welcome everyone to our new exciting building that we just opened about a month ago down here at the new office. Most of you knew we were uptown on Main Street, and now we've just moved to the south end of town on Main Street. Also, I'd like to welcome everyone. We're having an open house next Thursday. We're going to have the cattlemen here cooking steaks from 11 to 2, I believe. We're also going to have Utter Brothers here in order to serve up some ice cream scoops for anyone that would like to stop out. We'll be doing some tours of the new office, so you can come in and see the super nice new kennels we have, our front office, and Amy and I'd love to see you for that. So today I get to do the Shop Local drawing for the Fennimore Chamber of Commerce. So let's shuffle around. Our winner is Tom Rector of Fennimore.